How to change Shopify drop-down menu. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up your Shopify admin account and after that, click on this option of online store. After that, you need to click on this option of navigation. And over here, you will find the option of menus. Just click on this option of menu. And here you will find the menu items. You can either edit the existing menu items or you can add a new item. Let's create a new item, and for that you just need to provide a name. Then after that you need to link it up, and you can link it with your homepage or collections. So let's link it with our collection. After that you can also add some filters to it. Then simply click on this option of add, and this main menu will be added. And in case if you want to edit it in future, just simply open it up through navigation and click on edit, and here you will be able to edit it. And this is how you will be able to change drop down menu on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.